Hello everyone, I am going to discuss about 21 companies which I have already shared to you earlier. So today I am going to give you the update about this company. So what to do at present situation. This is disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. I am creating this video for education purpose only. And this is the TradingView website. And at first, see the Nifty 50 chart. Nifty 50 at present is 23,332 point. Actually, from October onward, it was moving down, and but last month it stopped moving down, and it when you calculate from here to here, it is moving upside almost 5%. Okay, and in April, today is 2nd April, it is almost at the same place where it closed on March. So just talk about the trend. First company, Trend. Trend also going with the market. So if you have already started entry and created first or two tranches, so you should not add here more tranches, as well as you should not exit. But if you are new and if you are not holding this share, you can start with a small tranche. This is the cheat area. You can start with small tranche. Tips music, same. If you are starting, you can start with a small tranche, but you should not add if you are already holding the company. CDSL, same. Safari, no new entry, no trans add, just hold. Polymedicure, no, you can start with a small tranche, but you should not add the tranche. Narayana Udyalia, you can add the tranche, you can make new entry, you should not exit. BSC, BSC, you can add the tranche, and if you are not holding, you can buy. New Gen, hold it. No new entry, no tranche add here. BASF, just hold it. Avoid new entry. Persistent system, avoid new entry, avoid adding tranches. Hold it. Newland also hold only. KP Energy Limited, same here. It may be for consolidation or may go down. Nobody knows. So at present, no action. Beta Drugs, just hold it. If you have not holding this company, and if you want to buy, you can make new entry here. Beta Drugs. Anant Raj Limited, skip it, just hold it. BLS, also just hold it, no need to add the tranche or new entry. Also Eicher Motor, if you want to add the tranche, you can add, and you can make also new entry here. Max Life, Max Healthcare, just hold, no action. Bajaj Finance, if you are already holding, you can add the tranche, you can make new entry as well. Aarti Pharma, you can add the tranche, you can make new entry here. Tenfet, just hold. Bajaj Holding Limited, if you have this share, you can hold, you should not make new entry, and also you should not transact. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching my video.